Hey guys, how's it going? I'm doing a follow-up on the MUSETEX case that I picked up a couple of months ago. Um, an issue that I actually brought up when I did the review on it was the front glass does not pop off. From what I can tell, it's probably two-way taped here and here, and there's a lot of buildup of guck and goop in there. You can see hair and everything else, dust. Unable to clean it. That side's been cleaned maybe 5 or 6 times. So we are going to shut it down and show you how to take it apart. And I'm probably going to do a mod on it. Nothing short of taking the glass off of it if I can avoid it. But the issue is, even when you pop the front off, you still have this plastic pieces here that are in the way, so you can't just wipe it down. I'm thinking I'm going to end up cutting that out, getting rid of all that plastic. And then this way, when you pull the front off, which is pretty easy to do, then you can just wipe it down. I just won't have that pattern, which is no big deal. At least it's going to be clean, right? So let's pull it apart, and I'll show you how to do it. I'll admit, though, other than that, having the issue with the plexiglass or the tempered glass in the front, it is to make a nice case. You can see I got a little bit of custom heat sinking there. I like the black look. This one's definitely due to be cleaned. I believe there is a filter under there. It has to be cleaned as well. But to start, you're going to want to take this glass off here, because we're going to have to stick a screwdriver in here to pop the front off, and we don't want to lean the screwdriver up against that. It has to be cleaned. The inside's not too bad. Nothing a brush could clean. Now this is where it gets weird. You're going to take, you can probably take a hard piece of plastic so you don't mar the actual case itself. But you're going to stick it in the corner, like just 6 areas. There's top, middle, and bottom. And then what you're going to do is just pop it out like that. You can see it's popped out. Go to the middle, do the same. Go to the bottom. And as you pop it out, it gets easier and easier. So you can come over here, start from the top, pop it out, the middle, pop it out, and then it just drop right off. There's no wires or anything. This way you can clean the fans. You can take a brush and clean that all off. This is the issue right here. Okay, and you see these little drop-offs here, these little square things here? Now, their original idea was to put rubber in there, and then when they put these little grommets on the glass itself so you could push it on. But I guess they changed their design, and then I think they just two-way taped it. And see, like now you're thinking, oh, I can clean it. Well, you're not going to be able to get underneath this plastic, so this plastic's got to go. But how to get at it? See, I could just take snips and just snip it all the way around, snip it off. But it's going to leave plastic on the inside. You're going to see it. I think what I'm going to try is I'm going to get the heat gun and heat it up here and here and see if we can pop this glass off, because then I can trim the plastic right off, nice and neat, and then stick the glass back down. And once that's done, then all I have to do is pop the front off and just wipe it down from here. I don't have to worry about anything else. It's pretty easy to do. There's no wiring involved. So let me get the heat gun and try that out. Yeah, so I'm not too much sure how much heat this will actually take before it explodes. So let's go easy on it. Feels like it's loosening up. Yeah, it's two-way taped. We'll do this side here. Oh, man. There's nothing in there. There we go. Yeah, so, like I said, if you look at here, right there and there, that's where the rubber would be in there. And it was originally designed to pop off, but I guess they changed their mind. So we'll try and preserve that. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut all this plastic out. It's just stupid design. Use wire snippers. Get the initial bulk plastic out, and then we'll trim it nice. Get it out. Then we'll trim this off nice and neat and flush. Okay, you can, maybe we'll leave it. Yeah, we'll just remove it all. Yeah, this is going to take a bit. I'll be back. Okay, so what I did is, after I trimmed all that out, obviously, the plastic came to about there. I trimmed it right down to there. This way, when you wipe it down on the inside, you can see you get the full size of the plastic. You don't have a lip here that's going to let dirt get stuck in there. So what I have to do now is wipe it down and quickly clean off the fans, and we're good to go. Doesn't look that bad. So we'll just quickly give this a brush. Actually, the fans aren't that bad. And quickly give the glass a once over. I'm going to actually, the two-way tape, it doesn't stick as well second time around, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually use my shoe glue on it. It's a glue that dries as a rubber. This way it doesn't pop off when I'm cleaning it. But now, just give it a squirt. Now I can get right in there. And I just have to pop the front off of the case. I don't have to spent hours trying to get around that plastic. Look at that. Oh. Yeah, that doesn't look half bad. Looks factory. Nothing wrong with that. It's just easier to clean now. Let me finish the rest of it and we'll plug it back in. This is pretty much the material I removed. Very easy to do. If you want to try and clean around this crap, I don't see why. Huge difference even before I even turn it on. Wow, look at how clean that is. Very nice. Looks brand new. Like I said, I don't really need this stuff anyway. But, you know, it wasn't made to be cleaned, guys, obviously. If you can cut the plastic out without taking the plexi, like the tempered glass off, then I'd say go for it. But I see, that's why I trimmed it, because it went from here to here of plastic, and you can see through it now, including the bottom, which I like. I like the see-through kind of design. Cool. So there you go. It's up and running. If you're wondering how to clean it, you'll pretty much have to redesign it. Take it easy, guys.